Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic key fob battery. First, ensure you have the correct tools ready for this simple task. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items prepared makes the replacement process smooth and efficient, allowing you to quickly restore full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the casing, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components during this step. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Carefully remove it, paying attention to which side, positive or negative, is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive side facing up, just like the old one. Make sure it sits snugly in place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms that the key fob is securely closed and protected. Test your key fob to ensure it's working perfectly. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below. We appreciate you watching and hope this video was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.